How's it going? In this video I'm going to show you how to set certain contacts to ring on silent for Android. So if you're using Do Not Disturb and you still want a certain person's phone calls and messages to come through, then this is what you do. Open up your settings, come down to notifications, and then select Do Not Disturb. Make sure you have Do Not Disturb enabled, and then come down to allowed during Do Not Disturb, and you'll see calls and messages, and then at the top there is a green plus to add contacts. So this lets you select which contacts you would like phone calls and messages to come through when you have Do Not Disturb enabled. So choose whatever contact you want and then press done at the bottom. So that's how you do it. Mark's calls and messages will now come through when on silent mode. Thank you for watching.